Desperate Housewives fans, here we go. I'm gonna get my realtor voice on, and we're gonna start to your left-hand side. Ready?
This beautiful white beige house. This is Gabrielle Sully's house, played by Evelyn Gloria. Right next door, the original 1313 Mockingbird Lane from the Munsters. Right next door to the Munsters and back to Desperate Housewives, we have Susan Delfino's house, played by Terry Hatcher. And then right next door to Terry Hatcher, we have Lynette Scavo, and she was played by Emmy Award-winning Felicity Huffman. Now, you see this house, Lynette Scavo's house? A lot of these houses, they're not facades, because if you were to open the door, there's about 5 feet into the house, but they're not really suitable for filming. Just like that house has a tree growing out of it. Literally a tree growing out of it. But the only practical set on this lot, on this Colonial Street, is at the end of the cul-de-sac. That is Edie Britt's house, played by Nicholas Sheriff, and then later Vanessa Williams, she played Renee Carey. I have one more house to show you guys, but before I go and play a clip, this is filmed on your right-hand side. Take a look. You see that? Terry Hatcher running right here on your right-hand side. How cool is that?
Everyone in suburbia can appreciate. It's a good name.
The last house I'm going to show all of you is for the hardcore Desperate Housewives fans. This blue house on your left-hand side, that was a quote-unquote perfect house on the block. That was Bree Vanderkamp's house, played by Marsha Cross.